Omukusherra Karuru Orwija Harundi ayisimbira ntebe y'okukiikirira abantu ba municipal ya Kasese mu ishengerero Ihanga Kitura Francis. Abaturage bamushoborera okushoberwa kwabo ab'enguudo n'entindo ebyatwirwe kuboga kw'omugyera gwa Nyamwamba omwaka gw'2020 bikasigara bitakozirweho hati y'emyaka 5 ehoire.
Abalimi aba tubanga tukabakomera buli sitwangateseka tutya tukaswekya besawo bimweni keba no masana mtubaho bululu cyaba kikere tukola batukolere orutendo wala keba katukenjenzera iri ambyange nakolange nguda iri asinguda icyanzuki manake twamabere bona babalimi bakase batutabataba mbabake tukolere shandendu okulusikwa hanu ba emyaka yamabereho so tukalaba mu magetse wasangana twabere itininkera ngese nungeluku itinirumwe lusi lwalabya mwambe na mabresent.
Abaturage bagaruka bashobora ngo iburari y'amashanyarazi yo mu cweka cyabo kikabaretera na business zabenche okucwekerera ekiretire benji basigara bateine gukora.
Locally here we have 2 power houses, electric power stations which have been constructed here and they are generating electricity, but in these villages we talk there is no electricity. So at the end of the day, it is more and more important at least to see that the local community also they are benefiting directly from the resources which are being generated.
Okwanjerari ebyo abaturage bashaba government okurahusiaho ogarra hebirombe bya Kilembe ebyakubasa kuretaho emirimo na mnongo minyeto ngo benji yo minyeto mchweke cyo basigere batene murimo gukora basigara nbeha hatera okutunga aho kwihentasya.
People will gain through employment resources. When it is exploited out, it will help to reduce even the taxes that we are imposing in our own products. So at the end of the day, the economy is going to grow in a different level with that existence of copper, but it is being redundant.
Kitura Francis ashobora ngo kusherra Karuru akorwija Harundi necho muhwera okwetegereza kurungi ebizibu by'abantu
kabini yali sinara tukusana ndiribu nigende kolesya arale kusangwa abantu bane kayo mu mibiri yabo eriyo tukabihayo bolesa tubakole basyo kwarale bakaisi betu kubwa record nere chikale kiwarangera ingabwende kaende ku muyi kikenyiherije kutukubirikanya nabo kanina minyerera ebitsiba bibawete nobubuya obubawete omukikaro cyabo.
Omuchenchizi w'enshongazi by'obutegeki omuri Kasese ali kusemererwa hamwe na Tahera Mboko Naxon basi menkora ya Kitura y'okusherra Karuru Orwija Harundi munemuhwera okushikira kimwe abantu no kumanya ebizibu byabo na no kubyakubasa kukorwaho byinjo muri byo ebibere bitarukurebwa.
Hatuwe enkoraye nasanga abantu mu makagabo one ege enkora ne muyamba kusanga abantu mu makagabo emirimo yabo tiyatabanizibwa but also nawe tiya batunga message
abiryo kwecho twalengire ndi utateko kumukomi ukabisi wanga soka ermenya bitsibo bya municipality ya Kasese neri twatwiremo. This is the 4th day etu ni mwenda doa to doa etu kasaba Karuru ne kutulangire ndi akarwa kutwa makatunga omubo swiri
nyecha kare Kitura Francis na isha kuzombi chweke bya Kanyange ya wade Amanyamwamba division arugumiza mokta ira abaturage enjwandijo arukusherro bushagiki obarukwetebekansiza Karuru ko mwako gurukwija 2026 gasha kwa mate Isaac Ahagwata ya West.